This is the assignment. It has to do with the functions. So at the first function, I have create a new const with a main array. Inside that array, we have objects of main with two properties: the name and the mortal status, which is a boolean, and it's true or false. As you can see, we have three different names: Socrates, Euripides, and Achilles. And only Achilles' mortality status is false. And in order to check that array, first we check if there is any objects inside the array. Then, after that, we check if the given name is in our list, and then we give the proper messages in order to notify the user that there is the requested name or it's not. After that, and if there is a name inside the list of the objects, then we assign that status at two variables. Now, at the next lines after the 18, we have if the list status is true, the mortal status is list of the mortal, etc. So if the mortal status is true, then we console yes, he is mortal, or else he is not mortal, or else sorry, we haven't found the person inside our list, please try again. And here we call this function 3 times with 3 different names. Socrates is mortal, Achilles is immortal, and Yannis is not in the list, in order to get the proper results. Next, we have the bonus function. We have a different approach as much concerns the function. So initially we make a const of cakes, which is an array with a list of objects which has 3 properties: name, has chocolate with a boolean, and a flavor. After that, initially we are using the filter method in order to find if there is any cake inside that of those objects that they have that the name we requested. If we find that the returned object, if there is a returned object, it's not inside the array, which is at that line, we check that the returned array is not empty. Then we do the other checks that we, because we know that the initial value is, we assign the initial, the first array that came up with a selected item. Then we, if if the selected item has chocolate, then we console and we give a message. We have a message with the console log, and we say that this cake has flavor. The same with if it doesn't have any chocolate, and the third is if there isn't any cake with that name. Here, let me put some other options. And we're going to use the strawberry full, which is having has chocolate. And here we can no name. After that, we save, and then we run this this file, and we can see the 3 options. Yes, it's mortal, as much concerned the Socrates. It's immortal for Achilles, and sorry, you haven't found this person inside our list for the first function. And then the selected cake doesn't have any chocolate in the flavor, it's Madagascar. Pantasia, and the cake has chocolate, etc. There is no cake with that name. This is the end. Thank you.